Hi everyone, this is Zahra from Moodle for Teachers 2018. In the previous video, I explained how I joined a team and started teamwork on the syllabus to develop the course Intercultural Awareness. In this video tutorial, I want to go into the developmental process of this syllabus, how we discussed to develop this syllabus and how we developed it into a course. As mentioned earlier, we selected the course logo based on the objectives of the course, Intercultural Awareness. And this course is designed to make adult EFL learners aware of variations in the cultural values of people across the globe. More specifically, in this course, learners become familiar with the concept of cultural awareness, their own culture, effective communications, cultural biases, etc. We decided that the audience of our course should be EFL learners, adult EFL learners at B1 level of English language proficiency. And again, we agreed on the duration of the course as a 5-week with these objectives. By the end of this course, participants will know meaning of cultural awareness, how to become aware of their own and others' cultures, how to interpret and compare different cultural systems, how to be aware of cultural biases and stereotypes, and how to communicate effectively in different settings. Okay, then we translated these objectives into these sections, topic sections. First of all, that's an introduction as a kind of a survey and also a get-to-know warm-up for students. In week 1, definition of culture and cultural awareness are worked on. Then on week 2, main differences between cultures. Week 3 describes the main aspects of our own culture. In week 4, cultural biases and stereotypes are going to be discussed, and intercultural communication differences among several cultures are the focus of week 5. Then 2 other sections about us that present course syllabus and moderators that talks about who we are added. As the synchronous platform, we want to use WizIQ, and for asynchronous platform, we will use Moodle. The technologies will include forums, wikis, Padlet, and Facebook groups. Then here we moderators have introduced ourselves. The developmental process of this syllabus went through a lot of discussions on Moodle, leaving notes and comments along this syllabus, and also here is just a very short example of our communication. Then let's see how we developed the course. In fact, this is a 5-week course. Let's go to the main page of it. Okay, first of all, I should have turned the editing off. Okay, now it's the first page. I've added a calendar as a block, and we could also add a lot more blocks based on the objectives of our course. Okay, here is the welcome page with a kind of survey or forum for intercultural mindset. And during the 5 weeks, we will go through the objectives I talked about. Then we've got the page about us, in which the syllabus is provided. There's a link to the syllabus, and the page moderators, in which we have introduced ourselves. But particularly, I have developed and designed week 1. Week 1 focuses on What is intercultural awareness? We will talk about meaning and concept of intercultural awareness through different activities. For example, here we've got this activity by leading students to a web page, including, okay, here it's not accessible now, but we will fix it. They will be provided with 3 short stories, and then we will discuss the concepts of intercultural awareness. Then we've got intercultural communication, and we will provide it through this short video. After that, we will have a WizIQ session in order to discuss our findings of these materials. This is followed by a culture quiz and a crossword puzzle for providing cultural terminology, and then the learners are led to write their reflection papers here in this part by adding some comments here. The other weeks are developed by my other group mates that they will come and explain how they have developed it. Thank you so much for your attention. Have a nice time. Bye bye.